Hello, I'm Don Barber, and this is what you can do with CPQ's web service calls. A web service is defined as a type of technology that can be used to transfer information and data from one computer or database to another over an HTTP connection. Data comes over in a machine-readable format such as JSON or XML. Utilizing these web services, we can help integrate CPQ with your local web and business processes or databases. You can use web services to do things such as the following: pulling data from enterprise reporting platforms such as CSI Sideline or Salesforce for information like customer details, currency information, or product details. Sending data to a reporting platform such as a messaging service like Slack. Sending instructions to factory floor equipment for automated manufacturing, or querying data from a website. Here, we are showing an example of pulling data directly from our enterprise reporting platform, CSI, and displaying it as a list of products on the screen the user can select from. There are two parts to the web service call: the web service rule, which is defined in Design Studio, and the web service rule as referenced in the rule set. The web service rule used within the rule set has multiple functions. Aside from calling the web service, you can pass data in from the component attributes or variables as additional headers. This rule also provides the ability to see the status of the call as a variable. We have set the status here as Slack status to show what has been sent and if it's been successful. For this example, we'll be pulling data from our CSI web service rule and looping through the data to use a create dynamic options list rule. This will display the list on a handy drop-down field, which allows the user to pick directly from the products defined for that specific customer. Additionally, we will also be using a second web service rule to send the data directly to our messaging service, Slack, to show which product the user has selected. Let's go ahead and see this in action. We've brought up the simulator here, which shows the customer number, and as we see from this drop-down list, a list of all the products in our CSI that are associated with them. We'll be using this 12.0 liter V8 diesel engine as an example. We can also go ahead and click this checkbox to send the confirmation to Slack. So once we finish that, we can see the fact that it gets sent to Slack here if we switch over to our messaging service, and perfect. As you see, the notifier has seen that we have selected this product. This is only a small fraction of what can be done with web services. Utilizing these and other methods, CPQ can be a powerful tool for any of your configurable business needs.